गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट है साइंस, चैप्टर है 3 फाइबर एंड फैब्रिक। ये चैप्टर आपका कंटिन्यू है। आज मैं आपको इसके गिव रीज़न करवाऊंगी जो आपको करने हैं। नंबर 1, हेयर ऑफ sheep आर रिमूव ड्यूरिंग हॉट वेदर टू ऑब्टेन वूल। आंसर आएगा Hair of sheep keep them warm in cold season. If hair of sheep are removed in winter, then they do not get protection against cold. In hot weather, sheep are able to survive without their protective coat of hair. Number two है the cocoons are kept in boiling water to obtain silk threads. तो आंसर आएगा द कैटरपिलर ऑफ सिल्क moth completely covers itself by silk fibers and turns into pupa. This covering is known as cocoon. The further development of the pupa into moth continues inside the cocoon. Silk moth comes out by cutting of silk fibers. So before silk moth form from pupa, cocoons are kept in boiling water to obtain silk threads. गिव पॉइंट्स ऑफ डिफरेंट वूल एंड सिल्क एंड नेचुरल सिल्क एंड आर्टिफिशियल सिल्क का आपको डिफरेंस बिटवीन करवाती हूँ जो आपको करना है। वूल और सिल्क, चलो वूल का नंबर 1 पॉइंट आएगा। वूल इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम फ्लीस। फ्लीस मीन्स क्या होता है? हेयर ऑफ शिप और याक। सिल्क का 1 पॉइंट, सिल्क इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द कोकून ऑफ सिल्क मॉथ। नंबर 2, शॉल, स्वेटर्स, मफलर्स एक्सेट्रा आर मेड फ्रॉम वूल। तो आंसर आएगा सिल्क का नंबर 2 पॉइंट। सिल्क साड़ी, लूज गाउन, सिल्क ड्रेस एक्सेट्रा आर मेड फ्रॉम सिल्क। नंबर 2 है नेचुरल सिल्क और आर्टिफिशियल सिल्क। उसका नेचुरल सिल्क का 1 पॉइंट आएगा। इट इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम द कोकून्स ऑफ सिल्क मोथ। Artificial silk, it is prepared chemically from the fibers obtained from polymer like plastic. Next number 2 point है it is formed from animal fibers. आंसर नंबर 2 आएगा artificial silk का। it is formed from artificial fibers. नंबर 3 है the smell of burning of natural silk is similar to the smell of hair burn. 3rd point आएगा artificial silk का। the smell of burning of artificial silk is similar to the smell of plastic burns. Next है answer the following question in detail. Describe the various steps used in the process for obtaining wool from fleece of sheep. The various steps used in the process of obtaining wool are as follows. Step number 1 है shearing. A process by which the fleece of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is removed from its body is called shearing. For that, hair cutting machines are used. Next, number 2 step है scoring. The shear skin with hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. This is called scoring. Nowadays, scoring is done by machines. Sorting. Sorting का after sorting is done. The hairy skin is sent to a factory where hair of different textures are shot. Number 4, drying. The small fluffy fibers called burrs are picked out from the hair. The fibers are scored again and dried. This is to wool ready to be drawn into fibers. Number 5, dyeing. The natural fleece of sheep and goats is black, brown or white. So the fibers can be dyed in various colors. Step number 6 है rolling, spinning. The fibers are straight, combed and rolled into yarn. The longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters and the shorter fibers are spun and woven into woolen cloth. नेक्स्ट है हाउ आर द सिल्क थ्रेड्स है सिल्क फैब्रिक्स ऑब्टेन बाय रियरिंग सिल्क वॉर्म्स। तो आंसर आएगा अ फीमेल सिल्क मोथ लेज हंड्रेड्स ऑफ एग्स एट अ टाइम। द एग्स आर स्टोर केयरफुली ऑन स्ट्रिप्स ऑफ क्लोथ और पेपर एंड सोल्ड टू सिल्कवॉर्म फार्मर्स। The silkworm farmers keep eggs under hygienic condition and under suitable conditions of temperature and humidity. The eggs are warmed to a suitable temperature for the larva to hatch from eggs. This is done when mulberry trees bear a fresh crop of leaves. The larva coat caterpillars eat day and night and increase enormously in the size. The larvae are kept in clean bamboo trays along with freshly chopped mulberry leaves. After 25 to 30 days, the caterpillars stop eating and move to a tiny chamber of bamboo. In the tray to spin cocoons, small rags or wings may be provided in the trays in which cocoon get attached. Next question, write short note stage of life history of silk moth. ये इसका लाइफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ सिल्क मोथ का There are four stages. There are four stages in the life history of silk moth: egg, larva, pupa, and silk moth. Egg. This is the first stage of life history of silk moth. Female silk moth lays eggs on the leaves of mulberry tree. Larva. Encrypted egg, hatch or larva is called caterpillar or silkworm. It stops eating after eating leaves of mulberry up to 25 to 30 days and becomes dormant. Pupa. Now caterpillar enters in third stage of its life history called pupa. It first waves a net to hold itself. Then it swings its head from side to side in the form of the figure of 8. During these movements of the head, caterpillar secretes fiber made of a protein which harden of exposure to air and becomes silk fiber. Silk moth. The further development of the pupa into moth continues inside the cocoon. Finally, silk moth comes out by breaking cocoon. अभी एक्टिविटी नंबर 1 है. नंबर 1 ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ द सॉफ्टनेस ऑफ हेयर ऑन द डिफरेंट प्लांट्स ऑफ योर बॉडी. तो अब इसका प्रोसीजर है टच द हेयर ऑन योर हेड. नंबर 2 टच द हेयर ऑन योर आर्म्स एंड लेग्स. विच वन सीम्स कोर्स एंड विच वन इज soft. Observation: the hair on